adventurers and off-roaders, it's Beth with Phastek.com, and we just finished putting in an AWE OFG Cat-Back Exhaust on this brand new ZR2. So the great thing about this exhaust is that it still has the aggressive muscle tone of AWE with minimal rasp. It pairs an H-pipe with their patented 180-degree drone technology. You can order this exhaust 2 different ways at Phastek.com. So we sell it with the bash guard, which means there's no tips. So your tips will stay safely tucked underneath the rear of your truck so they won't catch. Or you can order this Cat-Back with 4-inch quad chrome tips. They come in either chrome or black if that's the look you're going for. Either way, the H-pipe in this exhaust system makes it a true dual exhaust. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button for me.